All right, this is our first live thing that we're doing. My name is Tyler Moore, and who are you?
My name is Emmanuel. I'm a website designer, and
Yeah,
I saw a Tyler Moore video in 2015, and I'm still stuck here.
here we are. Now we're friends. We're buddies. And if you
Yeah.
guys want to be our buddies too, you could go to tyler.com/live and you guys can join in too, which would be crazy because you just pop up right here. And we'd be like, oh,
Is
hey.
this is this streaming to YouTube right now at the same time?
No, but I'm just
Okay, so
saying,
it's live.
just saying
It's
jokes.
live on Tyler.com.
Yeah, it will be live soon, but I made this program right here. You can see it, and I'm still programming it, or the AI is
Very
still
cool.
programming it. I don't know. We're programming it together.
The AI is doing most of the programming.
Yeah, for sure. I'm just like, why is it broken? All right, today we're discussing Claude's new design feature. It came out just today, so obviously we're not experts in it. We're the only people that will not lie to you on YouTube. Everyone else hypes things up too much, but we're going to do it live and we're going to see if it's good or not. So we can go to claude.ai/design. So this is their new design. Have you played with this? It only came out a couple hours ago. I imagine not.
No, I haven't. I have not used it at all. I saw a video on X showing like what it does, which I thought it was interesting because they had said that they had updated Claude to be really good at graphics and graphs and charts. So I guess they expanded that further, and now it's like really good at. From what I saw, it's really good at like presentations, which
Mm-hmm.
would be nice because I've used it. I've used it to make presentations for like invoices and like proposals and things like that, and it's pretty good. It took a lot of prompts to get it to look good, so I'm hoping that maybe this makes it like really good and like interactive right from the beginning.
Yeah,
That's what I think it's
exactly.
gonna do.
I play with it a little bit. It's pretty cool. Let's check out this video. Sign in to confirm I'm not a bot. Okay. Well, that's not gonna work. Let's see. Does this work? Oh man. Okay. Claw design. Mm, look at all these YouTubers. They're like, it's insane. Oh my god, it's over. Design. Whoa. That's what we don't want to be. Um, let's see if we get the video. No, we can't even get it.
Like yeah, I googled it and it's not even in search results.
Yeah.
But if you
Okay.
go to Claude AI/design, it looks like it's there.
Okay. Well, we'll just,
Oh,
we'll
that's
just
right.
go
Yeah.
here. We could do
Let's
it.
let's just build something.
Okay. Let's skip this. Okay. Let's just build something. I built two things, a yoga website and a game. But let's build something. Let's build something else. What do you
So
want to build? Yeah.
what is it? Because what my understanding was that it is like to design like decks and slides and that kind of stuff. Like what is the difference between this and like Claude Code, like designing something with Claude Code? Did
So
they
this is
explain it?
supposed to give you a little bit more control over your designs, and it's supposed to be like a Figma killer. So if we look at Figma stock today, it's gone down 6%, and over 6 months, it's gone down 66%. And that's because tools like Claude did a bunch of design, but now it's gone down 6% in a day because they're thinking this is just going to destroy them and not use it. They're not going to use Figma at all. So it's supposed to
Yeah.
be a Figma replacement. And then you can import your design into the Claude code or Claude desktop and start building it from there, which I did. So I'll give you a couple examples. So here's one real quick. I said I sketched this out, and this is really good. I obviously went to art school.
Cool.
Um,
So is this part of Claude or you
yeah, so
made
this
this
is
somewhere
this
else
is
and
this is part of Claude. So you can just start drawing like you want, this
that's
here,
so good.
whatever. And then so the logo is up here, navigation here, some text, a hero image, and a button. This is new. And then we can see we have the logo up here, navigation, text, image, button. And then I'll ask you more things, and then you can change it all like that. The cool
So
thing, yeah, go on.
it chose the image and everything?
It shows the image and everything. Yeah. And it got it from
Nice.
Unsplash. Before, it didn't want to make an image for me. I'm like, no, put in an image. It was like, do you want an image placeholder? I'm like, come on.
Just put the real
But it
image.
doesn't generate an image. It gets it from Unsplash. So Anthropic or Claude, they don't have an image generator. They only
Right.
have like Google does or OpenAI does. But yeah. So the cool thing about this is that's different than just Claude Code is that you can draw on things. So you can click draw and you can say, oh, change this, change this. Something easier I found with the whole 20 minutes I've been experimenting with this is you can press
Expert.
an expert, super expert. You can press comment, and then so you can comment on all these. So you can say, maybe, I don't know, what do we want to comment? We want this to be Fahrenheit. Make this Fahrenheit,
So it's like
and then
instead of
you
having
just
to do
comment.
instead of having to do a prompt, it's almost like they have their own visual builder into whatever it's
Exactly.
developed, and it's generating. I would assume that it it's like generates the visual builder for you. So like depending on what you're building, it's like okay, this is like these tools that you need for this project, and they'll just build
Yeah,
them.
the super cool thing is this tweaks. So it asked me when I was generating this, what tweaks do you want? And then I was like, oh, colors and typography. So you can open this tweaks, and then you can change this tweaks thing here.
Gotcha. And this is in the browser, or is this a file on your computer?
This is in the browser, but and they made it like a bold variation. But you can export this, and then it just gives you a. I'll show you. Um,
Yeah, I wonder, is it going to export like
so
whatever
you
version you're
so all you
on,
do is copy this
or?
command, and then
Oh,
you put it
okay.
into Claude Desktop or Claude Code, Claude Desktop Code or Claude Code. Um, and then you can take this off, and then but we can also edit it, which is cool. So if you edit it, you go here. You go. Is that you spell your name?
Wow,
Okay, yeah,
that's amazing because normally in Claude Code you'd have to once you have the design how you want it, if you want to edit it, you'd have to tell like, hey, change the heading to this. Now you can
exactly.
just click the heading. It's almost like
You can change the color too over here. It's like, oh, I want it to
whoa,
be the brown, and then it has all the options over here, like the padding
that's
and
amazing.
margin and everything.
Listen, I was not using Elementor anymore, but this is just like way better. This is like if
This
you
is way
want to use
better,
Elementor, this is like you have those tools still if you wanna get in there and like adjust this one thing without having to like explain it, you
right?
can just go in there and it's like the best of both worlds.
I think it's really cool. And then you can say present this in a new tab. Opens up a new tab, and you can see it. Um, yeah. So I think that's pretty cool.
Does it I wonder if
And then of course over here you can make all of your changes.
can it pull from a URL? So like for example, if
Yeah,
I give you
yeah.
if I give you that link for the grooming website that's really old, do you think it would
Let's try it. Let's
okay,
try it.
let me
I
find the
made a
link
I
for
made a
you.
retro jumper too. This has sound also, but I'm just busy. You could jump over things.
I like the trees are backwards.
And then you could jump under things somehow, but yeah, it has cool sound too, though. I know you can't hear it, but
That's awesome. And how long did that take to make?
not long. I mean, 10 minutes maybe. But a cool thing is you can draw on this. You could be like, make this not say game over and whatever. And then you know what I
Wow.
mean.
Yeah, it's more interactive versus just prompting. You can just scribble on it because that is something that I had to do already. Like for some of the design stuff, I would have to draw on a piece of paper and then upload and be like, this is the layout, like this is how it goes.
Yeah.
But now if you can just be like, put this square up here and put that thing under this thing,
And then
it'll just
they have
understand.
a sharing thing, which I thought worked on like for everyone, which would be cool because like customers, like clients could be like, oh, I want it like this, but it just says teammates. I thought that'd be cool though. Maybe the
So you can
next
share
version
it. You can share it as
with
a.
teammates. I don't know what that means. I think you just share it as like a presentation, I guess.
Oh, cool.
Not really
That's
sure.
it. I would imagine that's like if they have a Claude account, they open it like in their Claude account.
Yeah. Well, where's my internet? There it goes. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So, okay, what do you want to try? Obviously, we're
Okay, so
we're new to this. You
so
can set
I
up a
sent you a
design
link.
system right here. I don't know what that means.
So well, I think that would be good if you're working with like a really big brand and they want to have like, well, I need to know all the colors and I need to know all the
No, but
fonts and
this
I
is
need to
good.
know.
Why would we redo this?
that, honestly, this is a AI could never build this.
AI, yeah, AI wouldn't build. AI would just be like no.
AI see like if this is a human only.
For sure.
Only a human
Every
could make this.
character was human entered with this one.
Cle-
Obviously.
Clearly. So
Clearly.
this website, it's beautiful. You know, like they have the dog as the logo, and then they have a home button with a cat, and then another dog.
Yeah.
The fact this website's from 2010, I think, um, and the fact that it still works, like it's not like if this was a WordPress website from 2010, it would be broken. It would not work.
Yeah, exactly.
This still works, so that has to count for something.
Okay, so do we want to redesign this? Yeah.
Yeah, let's just tell
Okay.
Claude, hey, just we're doing some pro bono work. We need to help this business fix their website. And I want
Okay.
to see just what it spits out and then how this design tool lets us like tweak it after that.
Okay. Do we look? Are we creating a design system? No, I think we're just doing a project. And high
Yeah.
fidelity or wireframe? It wants to know.
High fidelity. Just give me
Yeah.
the finished
So a
product.
wireframe would just be like the basic building blocks without it like filled out. The high fidelity is like a real website.
Finished.
All right. What is this
Yeah.
called? This is called
Fur's gonna fly.
Fur's Gonna Fly. Fur's
Oh yeah, it's gonna fly right
Gonna
now.
Fly. Okay. So we create this. Oh, look, and it says slide deck right here. Did you see that?
Yeah, so I wonder if it would just turn the website into like slides or like it'll just
I
generate a
think
PDF of the
I think
website.
slide deck is like for presentations and stuff. I don't know.
Right. I think it'll get confused. Maybe it'll just get the website and be like, okay, if you were like presenting this website, how would you do it? And then it'll turn that into a slide deck, which could be useful because like if you're an agency and you build a website and you want to like present it to the customer in like a more elaborate way, it could generate a deck for you where like, well, look, this is what we thought about and this is why this is this way and whatever.
Yeah, it'd be pretty cool. All right, so
We
design
should when
screenshot,
we
add
finish here, we should
screenshot.
click that and see what happens.
Yeah, for sure. Attach code base. What does attach screenshot mean? Okay, it actually wants me to attach a screenshot. No. Attach code base. No. I think I'm just gonna put in the URL.
Just type redesign this website and the link. That's what I would do in Claude Code.
Right,
So
exactly.
I want to see how it's gonna
Redesign this
treat that
website
so that it's modern.
so that it is modern and looks amazing. That's how I talk to my Claude.
Right? Like just make no mistakes.
Make no mistakes. Make client happy, please.
So sometimes what it'll do to me is it'll say that it can't go to the website because it's not secure, and I wonder
Oh, interesting.
if this is gonna power through or if it's gonna come back. If it says it's not secure, you should be able to save website as HTML and then upload it, and then we'll see if okay, it's asking this stuff. Nice.
Okay. Okay. Do we want it to be warm and friendly, premium boutique, playful and charming, bold and editorial, or something else?
Nice. So talking about Claude design, I think it's nice that it's generating like a little onboarding for us.
Yeah, it's so cool. It's like a custom onboarding too for you.
Yeah. So even before it creates the website, it creates, which is nice because it saves time if you don't know exactly what you're going to explain. Like if you're more beginner, you're not clear on what you want, or you're working with a client, it kind of gives you like a easy way to, sometimes it's hard for people to be creative without any guidance. So this is kind of super nice that it gives you a custom onboarding here.
Yeah. I wish Claude had an affiliate program.
Right.
All right.
Look,
Warm and friendly?
playful and charming, hand drawn, illustrative. That would be cool.
Playful and charming. Oh, that's pushing it, I think. Let's do that one. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see how it's going to do the hand drawn stuff.
Color direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, or
Oh.
5.
We could do the one before the last one, and that way it keeps the light green blue
This one?
from the original site. Yeah, we
Is
can
that what the
place
original
them
one
on.
was? Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like a
Do
blue.
you think it got it from there? Hmm.
I
Okay.
would imagine so.
Single long scrolling page with micro interactions, full multi page, or online booking flow. Oh geez. I'm gonna let
Uh,
you decide.
let's do a
Yeah,
multi-page.
agreed.
Just to
I hate the one pagers.
sometimes I ask it to make a website, and it always defaults to a one
Yeah.
pager, and it's like nobody wants this. I
No,
need this separate.
nobody wants it. What should the site emphasize? Okay, what does it emphasize now? Professional
It's
grooming,
just
the grooming,
like a
right?
grooming service.
Okay,
Oh wait,
grooming
go
service
back, go
impressive.
back.
Here?
I think we need to emphasize that right there. You see the $10 nail trims
Where? Oh
on the
yeah,
left hand side.
here, yeah.
Yeah,
Ooh,
and then under that, very important. We gotta emphasize those two things.
I don't know if you're joking or not, but I'm put it.
No, I'm not. No, don't. Don't. Just let it decide. Let the
All
AI
right, grooming
decide.
service and pricing.
We need to be able to monetize this video.
Okay. All right. Imagery, stripe placeholders.
I would say decide for me. Like
No, I don't
I'm
want
getting to the.
placeholders. This is what I told it last time. Like, get real images.
Oh, then write that.
You don't.
Oh, mix of placeholder. So no real images.
I mean, come on.
One thing that I do now with Claude Code is I have a folder, a Word document that's all my API keys,
Oh, that's
and I
smart.
I just put that folder into the terminal, and I'm like, here's my API keys. Don't ask me for them. Every API key has like a title, like Unsplash
That's
API,
cool.
this API, that API. Go into this file, get the API that you need, and build the thing. You know.
That's cool.
But I don't think the desktop or this might not have that
No, it
integration
doesn't.
yet.
What should be tweakable? Okay, so you know that pop-up tweakable thing?
Right, like your own little personal toolbar of the things that you want to
Yeah. Nothing or decide
color
for me?
palette. I think it'd be cool to shift through color palettes. But
Okay.
sometimes I wonder if choosing more things to be tweakable also kind of like locks in
Yeah.
the design. Like, well, we want to tweak this. Let me not go too crazy with this. So,
Right.
can you leave it unchecked? Can you just like not decide
Yeah,
to
yeah.
not?
Yeah, not checked. Typography fill. Editorial. I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? Editorial? Okay. Decide for me. Hero concept. Bold watermark. Word mark. Oh, like what? One big bold word.
Hero concept. The concept that I would have done that I told you about, I
Uh,
don't know if it can do
oh, we
this. I
could have
know I could.
sketched it up too.
We could have sketched it. Would be like the hero section with like the dog kind of like leaning over it. Oh, my camera has this thing where
Oh,
it
that's cool.
zooms
Is
when I
that
did
the
the thing.
tiny? The tiny camera?
This
Is it called the
uh
tiny? No.
no, it's called the Osmo.
Osmo. The Osmo Tiny though.
Osmo. It is tiny, so maybe it is.
I
I
think
don't
it's
know.
called the Osmo Tiny. I have it too, somewhere
Yeah,
around here. I'm not using it
yeah,
because I'm
it's
too
really good.
lazy. Oh, it's right there.
Um, yeah, so that's kind of was my idea, like having the dog pawing over the hero section,
That'd be
almost like
cool.
jumping out. So I wonder how close we can get to that.
Yeah, I think that'd be hard for right now.
Yeah, it would be difficult. The way I would
Um,
do it is I'd use like Nano Banana to generate the dog image with a PNG background, and then have that on the right
exactly.
hand side of the hero section. But
It can't
let's
make a
see.
PNG. I'm gonna say a few variations I can toggle, so that's cool.
Right.
A booking form or no?
No, I don't think we
Not
need to
right
get
now.
that
Yeah.
complicated.
Copy. Keep their copy. Just tighten it up. Should we?
No, their copy is too tight as it
Okay.
is.
Rewrite with warmer modern voice.
Yeah, rewrite this
Okay.
definitely.
Or should I make it more? Is it too much stuff? Okay, whatever. Maybe I should make it more. What am I trying to say? Minimal. Less
Uh,
words, or it's fine.
mm,
It's fine.
make it. Yeah, just keep it like, clear and to the point.
There you go. That's what.
Put a high SEO ranking, #1 spot Google.
Nice to have testimonial. Should we do? Do they have testimonials? No. Okay, whatever. Do we want any of these?
I wonder if you wrote in there the dog thing, if it would do it. Let's do something. Let's do. Oh, you could put in. Let's do right in there scrolling testimonial banner with made up testimonials, and I want to see how, because Claude Codes does those really good. They are like a little stripe, and they scroll through the screen, and it looks really nice. And I wonder if this will do it.
Scrolling testimonial banner with made
Made
up
up testimonials.
testimonials.
Yeah, you could you just say scrolling review banner, and then
Scrolling review.
yeah, it's the same thing.
Test banner with made up testimonials. Okay.
Oh yeah. Let's
Continue.
see. Continue.
All right. See, we could have started with a
All right.
sketch. Have that dog there. That'd be hard though because it can't make transparent ones.
Right. That yeah, for that, I'm usually probably what I would have done is use Nano Banana separately in a separate
Exactly.
tab and be like, create this. Which I think you can upload a sketch into Nano Banana. And
Right.
we can see if it would be hard. Like I'd have to I think if we found a there must be photos of dogs looking out of windows and stuff.
Yeah, yeah. The dog paws. Cores block fetching. Oh no.
Uh-oh, what's going on? Oh,
Uh-oh.
it's I think it's the
Was it? I don't know. Ooh, what is it doing? Made me a style sheet, but it.
created top bar. Yeah, because I think it's doing the same thing it would do on your computer, where it creates all the JS files and CSS
Mm-hmm.
files and all that stuff.
Yep.
And I wonder, the napkin sketch tool lets you draw freehand. Let's see how long it takes. This probably 5 to 6 minutes on Claude Code, and
Yeah.
I do it.
Yeah. It's gonna take a while. It's taking a while.
Okay, we can talk about something that I saw today. Those guys made a video about this thing called Elementor Atomic Elements. Have you heard of that?
Mm-mm. Should I look it up? Elementor.
Yeah, you can look it up. It's not good.
Atomic elements. You can look it up. It's a complete waste of time.
Yeah, so it's like they're making it more developer friendly. So now you can add like CSS tags and attributes to the elements.
Okay.
And it's just like, I feel like,
Who wants to do that though?
yeah, who wants to do that? Like, just like when they switched from sections to containers, like, I get that it's supposed to load better or whatever, but it's like, I feel like it's more work.
Yeah.
And I
Well,
think you think you can add a class, and then that way you assign a class to all the buttons, and then you can change them. You can change the class settings, and then it changes all the buttons that are in that class. Like, we're going backwards. Like
we're
you're
going
making it
hands.
like you're making it more technical.
You ever see? You ever
Uh,
see? You ever see?
where are we going with that? I'm scared.
You ever see Back to the Future? He
Uh
goes
huh.
he goes to the future and he starts like playing a video game and he's like super good at it. And then
Uh huh.
the little kid says, "You mean you have to use your hands? That's like a baby's toy." It's like
Oh, that's funny.
it reminds me
You
of
have to
like
do it.
elementary. Like you have to do it yourself, like with classes and stuff. That's like
Yeah, that's
why?
the
That's like a
thing, and
baby's toy.
because the whole point of Elementor was like, okay, you're not technical, so like this tool will help you just visually build it. But now, if I am technical enough to assign classes and all these kinds of things, that why am I using? I would just be building a website.
Yeah, but you know the crazy thing is all of these nerds, on like if you ever go to Hacker News, you ever go to Hacker News?
Right.
Probably not. But they're all like super mad at the LLMs and like, no, you're taking the joy out of like programming, you're taking the joy out of coding, and they all hate it. Oh, it can't do this, it can't do that, and it's just like they want to do it by hand because imagine you spent your entire life learning how to code, 20, 30 years, and then the computer can do it. It kind of sucks.
Well,
And they have
let
like
me tell.
they're coping.
Yeah, let me tell you, when I first started using Claude, it was a little bit jarring because I was like, oh my god, this it generated this thing that is like so good, and like I'm gonna use it, but I'm like, this would have taken me so long to do, and it kind of made me feel like, oh my god, I've been wasting my time. And then I was like, well, like this didn't exist,
Right.
2 years ago. It's not like I could have used this, but it was like jarring to see such a like something that was so close to being like complete that I knew was like a month of work in
Yeah.
like 5 minutes. It was like,
Yeah.
whoa, I can't process what I'm seeing here.
Yeah.
And I think one of the most exciting things once you like absorb like what it can do, and I would keep trying. I would keep trying to ask it to do things that I thought, oh, that's too complicated. It can't do that.
Yeah.
And then like it just does it perfectly.
I always have to
And
go back and like, oh my god, wait, it can do that. Like I'm always
right.
surprised, like, oh, I'm gonna do this manually. I'm like, oh wait, no, it could do that.
So let me give you a perfect example. One thing that I do for almost all of my customers is whenever they send me the images, I have to compress them because they're like large files.
Yeah,
And
this
I
is what
would
I
go to
want to
I would
know. Okay, okay, wait, because I'm redoing the Pocket Watch guy, but all these images
yes,
are PNG, and I wanted to ship fast, so I was like, I don't want to recompress them, but if you go to the light speed
right,
score, it's like 5 MB on this entire
right,
thing.
right, right, right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so go, tell
S-
me.
So I didn't know this, but the Mac has a built-in tool or function
In
where it
preview.
just yeah, I guess you can get to it through preview, but it's not really what you do in preview when you resize the image. It's something else. It just has the ability to. Well, I'll show you. Can you show me your desktop? Because there's like a million things that you can do on your Mac that I didn't know. Like bring up any image on your
Okay, I just threw away one.
if it's an image if it's like a simple image, it would be better.
Okay.
Like a simple graphic.
Well, I have a watch image. Would that work?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, yes, that might be perfect. Okay, right click on the watch image.
Oh, just right click on it without open.
Yeah, yeah. Right click on the
Can you see
watch
this?
image.
All right, yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's huge. It's like yeah. Click where it says quick actions.
Quick actions.
Click where it says remove background.
Nah, for real? What?
It does it instantly.
What?
Isn't that crazy?
Wait, when did they add that?
I did it. I don't know. I just saw it the other day and I was like, "What? I'm going insane here." I go to like 4 websites to remove a background, and I have to pay for the high resolution version.
That's
Um,
crazy.
well, there's another tool that's not there. It's like internal to the Mac through like it's like an image processing script that the Mac has.
Mm.
Anyways, you get a folder of pictures. You tell Claude compress these images. It just does it in like 2 seconds.
Oh wow.
Like it doesn't have to upload or anything. It just runs it through like a script that the Mac
Right,
has,
right.
and it just creates a copy of the file that's like 70% smaller.
That's
Because what I
crazy.
what I used to have to do was like upload them all to like an image compressor website and then re-download them. Um, Something else that I do a lot. I don't know if you know this one. Did it finish? Okay, let's see.
Hold on. Okay, let's open this and oh no, let's just keep it here. All right. I mean, it looks much better. Where's the pictures? But oh look, that's cool. Let me open this in a new
That's
tab.
that's close.
Let me open this in a new tab so that you can see it. I mean, it looks so much better than this. Uh,
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Looks good. This is already such an improvement.
I mean, it's so good.
It's a little bit too minimal. I think it didn't really capture the images how you asked it to, right?
No, it didn't.
I wonder what
What?
see how would you does it give you now where does it give you the option to kind of give it the feedback?
What? How do I exit out of here? Oh, just escape. Ner. Okay, so yeah, what do you want changed now?
Yeah,
Just
it's
overall, it's not too. Oh, we have the tweaks. We have the
overall
tweaks. Here's the tweaks.
okay, let's see. What options do you get on the tweaks?
Okay. Do you want it to be split photo? Oh, that's kind of cool.
Interesting. Okay, that's fun.
You want to
That's a
see
little bit
big
more
word
whimsical.
mark? Fur's gonna fly. That's not good.
Too
Uh,
much.
you like this one? That one's probably the best, maybe.
Yeah. What are the color palettes?
You could barely, the
Okay.
barely. Oh, that was kind of cool. It messed up on
Mm.
here, but uh,
I'm not seeing the blue. Didn't we choose one that had blue? Did it use the blue for
teal.
the for anything?
No, did we use the blue? I can't remember. Compact. Okay, the tweaks are okay. I mean, I didn't even ask for tweaks. But what's your overall thing? If this was for a client, how would you want it to be actually
I would
different?
feel like it's a little bit too plain, and the hero section is like too boring.
All right, send. All right, we'll wait for that to work. Let's see what Hacker News had to say about it. Now, these people are usually, you got the YouTubers on one side that are just like super hypey, everything's going to be amazing. And then you got Hacker News on the other side where everything is doom and gloom and everything sucks. And then we got us in the middle.
What are they saying?
Oh,
Wow,
God.
this website looks like
I know,
a
it's
really old
hilarious.
website, right?
They're saying a bunch of boring shit and too much shit. Stuff. This won't replace Figma or designers, they say. But they're
Ha ha ha.
crazy. They're crazy. It will.
Well, here
It will.
here's I think it's going to replace a lot because it's going to replace, I would say, the entire mid level to low level end of the market. Like unless you're like a big brand that's going to pay like a team of designers to go and like
Exactly.
make the button and make
But
the
why?
this
You're
and
you're
make
gonna
the
get
that.
destroyed by somebody who's not doing all of that and can move
Right.
way faster.
Yeah, and also what's going to happen is uh, by the time you get there I'm sure the tools will get, this is the worst the tools will ever be. The
Exactly.
tools will get good enough to the point where,
And who can move faster, Claude or Figma? Like,
right.
it's obvious.
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna send you something right here. Are you ready for
This
this?
isn't good for design,
This
but it
is
is good for design. That's crazy. Like if you read if a beginner
oh,
reads a blog and's like, "This is not good for design," this is a million times better than this.
a billion. And here's what I think. I think whatever tool lets me get my idea from my mind outside of my mind the fastest, that's the best tool.
Right.
Like okay, I can sit here for 2 hours and make the page with Elementor, or I can just explain the page, and then the AI can get it 80% right, and then I
Right.
can explain it again, and it gets it 90, and then I can explain it again, and it gets it 99, and then 6 minutes later, I have what I wanted,
Yep. Yeah.
which is what Claude is doing.
Exactly. But what do you
It's
do while
it's
you
like
wait for the AI?
you have to open up another terminal and then
You
start
gotta
another
use
project.
another AI to. How many
All
do
right,
you
check it
do at
out.
once? Oh, an AI. Tell me. Tell me.
Usually, the most I'll have is like four, and then it gets what I notice is I'll start putting the prompts into the wrong one, even though I have them color coded, and then I'll
Yeah.
start breaking
Yeah.
the
Same.
I'll start breaking the websites.
You know what I started doing
So,
to make it more organized, and I hate to even say this. No, I don't hate to say it, but I started using. Oh, can you see this new screen? It's black screen.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I started using this. I don't know if it's too big.
Is this what is it? What am I looking
This
at?
is the Claude desktop. Hold on. Let me go to the other screen. 1 second. Sorry. Okay. I started using this because look, I have my father-in-law's website. I have this program that we're using right now. I have the Tyler.com and it like tabs it all. And then it's just kind of it actually
So
is easier.
can you switch between them and then like put in a prompt?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You put a prompt in here and then
So
here
is
and then
it
here and then
essentially
here.
like a bunch of terminals open?
Exactly. And
Basic.
all the terminals open just organized over here.
Oh wow, yeah, because I
And,
have.
and then they have different things where you can like do things and you can click on a file and you can actually edit the file if you want to.
Is there any limitation on this versus just having it raw in the terminal? Like, is there
Um
have you hit any wall where like you
no.
can't like So this is identical to typing into the terminal. So it goes into the files. It can still do everything.
Identical. So this is the Claude
Oh,
desktop app, and you can like chat, or you can do co-work, or you can do this, and I just stay in code.
I I don't know if they fixed this yet, but I think it doesn't have memory, right? Between code and chat, like you can't be on the chat and
No,
ask
I
it
don't
about your code,
think
right?
so, but I wonder now because it's like in the same
I've tried it,
area.
and the last time I checked, it doesn't. They're like separate memories. I wish it did because sometimes I just want to talk about a project and I don't need to like work on
Right,
it. I just need to like
right.
ideate on it.
Sometimes
Uh,
I tell it to make me like a PRD. Is it PDR? PRD meaning
what's that?
a product requirement document. Like I
Mm.
tell it, like I have a conversation with it. I'm like, all right, now make me a PRD, and then it makes me like all of the steps and the user flow and everything that I've been discussing with it into one document, and then I just copy it over and I like paste it into the code again.
Gotcha. And that way it doesn't miss any of it. Like tells you the steps that you have to go through.
Exactly, and all the code and the scaffolding and whatever the the shit it
Cool.
should do. Um,
Yeah. Yeah. This. I mean, it's amazing what you can do with it.
yeah, it's crazy. Okay, let's
And
see
then
this guy. What happened here? All right, let's see.
uh-oh.
Let me in a new tab. Oh,
Oh. What did it
ooh.
do?
I don't know.
Where pets come to
Where pets come
fluff
to fluff. Sparkle. Ooh.
sparkle.
Beam. And this is kind of fun,
That's
though.
fun.
This is fun.
Look at
Oh, and this up here. This is cool. Like
the
the.
little derpy star. I
I
it
kind of like this idea.
I kind of like that that it made like a little mouse SVG and it's like all wonky.
That
Yeah.
or
And
this.
the star is all like that's a, I
This is
wonder if it
cool.
did it I wonder if it did it on purpose to be fun or if it just
Right.
couldn't do the star.
Yeah, what is this? Is this a dog?
I think it's a
Oh, with a
mouse.
collar. No, it has to be a
It's a
dog.
dog.
That's got to be a dog. Why would they
It has
put a
a
mouse on
I don't know. It looks like a mouse to me. It's got a paw back
it?
there.
Okay.
Oh, that's funny. All right.
Yeah, it's not showing up
Oh,
good here.
it's still going. It's still editing. It says editing
Oh,
home.css.
oh, it's checking its work.
Okay, hang on. Let's give it a chance. Maybe it needs a little bit more time. And did it make the same pages? Let's see. We had our services gallery.
Oh my God! Look, it made the services page and stuff though too.
Now, did it create the same services or did it make up like did it actually go and read the website?
Well, what do we have on the services?
For example, we should have like
Jeez, I can't even look at this website.
flea treatment, like flea treatment.
We have cat grooming. No, I don't see flea treatment.
I think it didn't go through all the pages. Like it didn't.
We got
It might have.
lazy.
It might have not recognized the navigation. Frankly,
Cannot navigate.
it might have been. Well, there's like 4 images here of a dog here. I don't know. This is the navigation.
Oh, this is cool though. I like the way this would be set up.
Oh, the bento grid. Well, it
Mm,
did have a gallery. See, now in a perfect world, what I would want is for it to pull the images from the customer's website and plug them into the.
exactly, but you can if okay. So and then we could do that next if we can like pull it into Claude Code really easily.
That's what I'm saying. Like it looks like the design tool. It's kind of to give you a concept, but
Exactly,
I don't. And then you tweak the concept, and then
and then
I,
it's like pure HTML.
right. But I think Claude Code still gets you to the finished product in one.
Right.
But I think this is good if like if you're not technical, if you're scared of the terminal and you want to do a design,
Or if you just want to like make the design and visualize whatever you're doing first.
right? You can go in there, tweak the font, adjust it, then export that, and then Claude already
Yeah.
knows that you
And it's
want this
fun
font
because
and
you
this
can
color.
draw on it, you can edit it, you can comment. The
Right.
cool thing about
It's
this
more
is you can make
interactive.
a comment and then comment, and then go to all the comments and then send them all to Claude at the
Mhm.
same time.
Yeah, the way a person would give you feedback on anything.
Right. Yeah. So That's what I was thinking. It would be cool if like clients could like go and comment, and then you just go back in there and
Right.
be like, send.
Send. Yeah, that's the one part that the send is behind an admin section. If only I could click send.
uh, okay.
Now this can design. It looks like it can do a website. It can do a website just fine. But I think it's meant more for like presentations, right?
Yeah. Should we see the presentations? Open
Oh,
another
before you
one.
do that, I just want to see. I sent you an image.
Okay.
I sent you an image.
Oh, funny.
There it is. And I want you to tell it, put this image on the right hand side, like the dog is kind of coming out of the hero section a little bit. And I want to see if it would do what a person would do, which is like it should draw the edge of the hero section under the paws.
Wait. So where do you want it?
Imagine the hero section. I can't do this because my camera will go crazy. Imagine the hero. Imagine the hero section, right? I want the dog to kind of be like pawing, looking over the hero section, kind of popping out a little bit.
Yeah. Um,
See, but how do I see how you tell that to Claude? Like you can't show Claude this.
call. Hold on. Okay. Where on the hero section?
Right side of the hero section.
Hold on. Let me open this in a new tab because this is looking weird. Why is this looking so
It's
weird?
falling apart.
It is falling apart. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Tell me right here.
Yeah, remove that little card, and then just scroll down a little bit. Is there an end to the hero section, or just flows?
There's an end right here.
It
Kind
kind
of.
of just flows in.
Yeah. Or here. Oh no, that all flows in here. We could put the dog right here.
You'd have to be like place this dog overlapping one of the sections so that it looks. Do it in the hero section and just say like it's popping out of the hero section. The hero section should have a bottom to give the effect.
Yeah.
And I want to see if it'll do that.
Okay. I'm gonna try my drawing skills.
And I think that is like the human touch, right? Like the AI would never generate that probably by itself, you know.
Right.
So I think those are the creative things. See, because I feel like with AI you can be more creative because with Elementor I would have been like, that's really difficult to make. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
I'm not gonna do it.
I'm not gonna build that.
This might be really difficult too.
Um,
But
but I feel like I could do it. I feel like maybe not if not here
yeah, I'm gonna put it
in
right
Claude
here.
Code
I'm gonna try to put it
in
here.
Claude Code for sure.
I think here would be good.
Yeah, like it's just like a little 3D object kind of popping out of a section.
I'll put a doggy here. Wait, where'd that dog look like? Okay. I'm gonna put his paws over it. Deet, 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 deet. Hold on.
He's a little squished.
I mean,
Yeah, add the face. I think the AI will, if you draw like a little eyes and a nose and a mouth, the AI will understand like this is an animal here.
not even the AI could understand what I'm doing.
Just a bone. That's a horrible dog. I'm so sorry. He's so flat. It's a hammerhead dog. Oh man.
This is turning out really good. Okay, where's the mouth? Where's the mouth? Where's the mouth? He's smiling. He's like, "Hi, hi, everybody."
Okay,
He's
perfect.
got a little
Okay,
tongue.
I mean, I would as a human, I would understand it.
Okay.
And how do you also give it the image?
I don't know. Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay. I drew a dog. What? Oh. What am I supposed to do?
Oh.
Hold on. Type anywhere to add a note. Okay. I get you. No. Damn it. Why is this note here? If I delete this. Oh,
Is he gonna delete your dog?
okay, comment. I have a note down here, but I don't.
Can you drag it?
I don't know what to do with it. I can't drag it.
Type anywhere to add. Can you? Yeah, I think we're gonna have to.
No, I'm not redoing the dog. It took me forever.
Just click send. and then click send there, and then hopefully it understands.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. What was missing? What were you missing?
I don't know. I drew this dog and put the real dog in the chat. It is a PNG. I want him to go over this section with his paws over it. Yeah?
Yeah, a dog instead of doc.
It's like you did not upload a doc.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's gonna get confused.
I
All
just
right,
dog
then I
put
think I think I would hit send on the chat first,
okay.
and
Send.
then on the here you gotta hit quick before it gets confused.
No, it's doing it. It's shelling.
But the dog, you never send the dog. The actual
No.
graphic of the dog is.
Oh, damn.
It's like, where's the dog? Find the dog.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. The attachment is in the product. Let me check the up. Oh, yeah, I think you're right. Damn. Damn it. All right, let's see what it does. Perfect. A chow chow with a transparent background. I swapped the abstract and put this real photo. Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
All right. That'd be pretty impressive if it could do it.
That I would be surprised. I think it's gonna place it in the wrong place because I did notice that when you were scrolling, like what you drew was not attached. It was not attached to a
No. I think
section.
it was. Look.
Oh, it like takes a little screenshot of
I don't
that
know. Can
moment.
you see it?
Yeah, it's on the right spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait a minute. Is it take? It's just taking a screenshot and uploading it to itself.
Yeah.
It's not like actually understanding what you drew as you're drawing it.
No.
Oh man.
I'm already on the
You didn't.
$100 plan. Wait
Oh,
for
this is the
limited.
best part.
No.
When does it reset? How much time do you have?
Try
15
again in
hours?
24 hours. Wait,
Oh
Claude Code
no.
resets in 5 hours though.
Maybe because this design thing is new.
All right, end of the video, guys. Thank you.
Connect next time to see if this thing finishes loading the dog.
It did a good job though. Let's see. Let's see what it did. Damn, that sucks. Okay.
To be fair, you were using
Oh
it
look,
before, like
what the
today, right?
heck?
Oh, okay. It's sort of. It didn't get it quite right, but I feel like
Wait, if I refresh
if you.
this. Oh, it put that there. Oh wait, now I can
It,
edit it. Let me edit it.
oh look, it replaced the little cartoony dog with like the actual
Yeah.
dog. So not exactly what you wanted, but
I can make it bigger.
maybe the dog was on its way to the correct section when you ran out of credits.
Yeah.
It was like
It
moving it
was gonna be
down, and
like,
then
wait a minute, it doesn't belong there. Oh, damn. We came close. We came real close.
Oh
Okay.
man, I mean, this is the problem with Claude Code. Like you become dependent on it,
I know.
and without it, not only does your project falls apart, but also
Yeah.
the video
And then
content.
your business just doesn't work. You're like, I don't know.
I mean, listen, once you have like all your projects and all your softwares, like everybody builds all their own software on
That is
Claude
better
Code, and
though.
then
Sorry.
yeah, and then Anthropic is like, hey, by the way, it's $500 a month now. What are you gonna do?
Yeah. Right.
What are you gonna do? Like not run all your software that you built yourself? Like
Yeah. But then hopefully there'll be a competitor like OpenAI is doing their codex, and you're like, all right, I'll
right?
just use this one.
Have you used Codex?
No, I haven't because I hear mixed things about it. I don't really
Yeah,
like
and like
Sam Altman's weird. You ever see an
I
interview with
feel
him?
like
He's kind of a weirdo.
yeah, he's giving like the old version of Mark Zuckerberg where they were kind of
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
way too awkward
he
about
needs
it.
to go surfing like Mark Zuckerberg did
Yeah,
and
yeah,
chill out a
get
little bit.
cool.
Get some jujitsu classes.
Um, but yeah, the Claude Code will like optimize all the images of your stepdad's, not your stepdad, your father-in-law's website
Yeah.
and it'll do it it'll do like 100 images in like 2 seconds. It's crazy.
Because of the Apple thing.
Yeah, because it's not actually uploading or downloading anything. It's just
Right.
like
It's like
running
a
a
tool.
computer script that just like
And it does it
does
good.
all of them.
The compression's good because sometimes I've noticed like compression is like, ugh.
Well, what I've noticed whenever I use like an online compressor, like a compressing website, if I compress it one time, it'll go from like 1 megabyte to like 500 kilobytes, which is not that good. I still would want it to be as small as possible.
Mm-hmm.
And then if I try to recompress it, like it already did all its work, it's not going to get any smaller than that.
Right.
But with this, you can tell Claude how much compression you want, but by default, I think it does 70%. So worst case scenario, it'll be 70% better. But you don't actually have to do anything. Like if you have his website locally, like you have it locally on a folder,
Mm-hmm.
just tell it like, here's the folder, optimize all the images, and then re-upload it to the website.
Yeah.
It'll
You're
just
done.
do it.
That's
You don't
amazing.
have to break the website or mess with the website or like find all the images or anything like that. It'll
That's
just
good.
get the URLs that are on the website, optimize them, and then put them back in there.
Nice.
Yeah,
That's
like if you check this out. That's another thing with the speed. Go to pagespeed.com. Not page speed, like the Google page
yeah.
speed test, whatever it's called.
Google page speed. Yeah, that's what I went here and I put it in his thing.
Okay, what
And
does it say right now?
and
It
it's the
it's
images.
probably
It's the
way faster.
images.
It's probably way faster than it was when
It's
it was
so
on
much
WordPress.
faster. But I've achieved like 100 or 99 scores or 100, like 99, 100 on everything for other sites. But
Yeah,
I want to launch super quick. So it's probably going to give like a 70 or something. But it's only the images that are messed up
that are
pretty
holding it
much.
back. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So I
So,
got the accessibility performance because look, the images are, it's like 5.6 megabytes.
uh, and listen, to be fair, when Google does the mobile test, it does it like over 3G or like it does it
Right.
over like worst case scenario.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
So it's okay. The
I
SEO
think
seems much better.
desktop will probably be like near 100, like really it should be like significantly high. Oh, that yeah, the images are holding you back there.
Yeah. No, it depends. You can redo it again and it'll give you a different score.
Slightly different.
Yeah. Well, if you redo it later.
Check my website there.
Oh, sorry.
No,
Everyone
on
go here
the
and buy.
go here.
uh, sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. It's too late for me to be thinking.
The cloud does not work. You're all out of thinking
Yeah.
credits.
The tokens have ran out. Also in my brain.
All right, let's
Do
see.
you want me to send this to you or no?
Um, yeah, send it to me, and then I'll see how long it takes me to
Oh,
get the.
the cool thing about this is, let's say you wanted it locally. I'll show you that way first. Okay, I'll show you that. So you export, and then you
Do you
can.
think? Do you think that this burned through your credits really
I
fast,
don't
or do you
know
think
if
you were?
I don't know if this has different credits than my other one because they're supposed to redo every 5 hours, and this says
Yeah,
try again in
this
10
could be
hours.
maybe because it's new. It has like a limit on it. You can
So,
check your. You know how to check it? Your like usage.
no, not the command
If
by
you go
heart.
to
Let's see,
if you go to like your chat your
terminal.
I just do it if you go to your account. Hang on, let me see because
Wait, I think I have
let's see,
it somewhere. Let's see.
let me see what the URL is.
Oh, look, plan 100%
Where is it?
done right here.
Oh, oh, but you're like Opus 4.7 extra high
Oh
maximum
yeah,
plan.
yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
think.
yeah,
I want
yeah.
it to think for me. Are you crazy?
You are burning,
Okay, but
burning.
what will you do? It's kind of cool. You take this and you press
Yeah,
export and you export out to Claude, and then you copy this command, and then you just
and it
paste it,
knows to
and then
like.
you paste it back in there, and it takes the exact design and it copies it locally and puts all the stuff in there
And
as an
now I saw that
HTML file.
you can also export it to Canva. So if you wanted to like, I don't really know.
Why
I
would
don't use
Canva do
Canva,
this
so
to themselves?
well, it's like, hey,
I
listen,
have Canva. Let's see what happens.
adapt or but I mean, listen, it's better to be with them than against them, I guess. You know?
Oh, send into Canva, but it's not going to because I hit my usage limits. But why? Why Canva's stupid?
Yeah, you can't
Canva.
down. I
What's
guess
Canva
I don't know.
stock?
Maybe I think if you have
Oh, they're
a
private.
maybe if you have your own graphics in there or something, I don't know. Yeah, so
Uh,
mobile's rough. And look, mine is like
yours is really good.
yeah, and it still gets a 66.
I think it's my internet. Or no, it's internet. Something's going on. I don't know. Anyways,
Because I
yeah,
know that my website's like under a megabyte, I think.
it's so fast.
And listen, if you go to
It's so fast.
Tyler.com, it's the fastest website.
It's just like bam. It's
Whoa,
all of this stuff.
it has to load all it has to load all those. Listen, Tyler, what you need to do is you need to locally load those fonts for those 4 words.
Oh,
It'll
that's where I messed up.
yeah yeah you're having it like call Google the Google
Does
fonts
it
script.
really? I
Come
wonder
on,
if it
man.
does. Is it?
Yeah, it does. I had to do it to to fix my website. I locally I have the fonts load locally.
Is mine not local? I
It
wonder.
probably by default it gets them from the Google font
Let's see.
uh server or
Google.
whatever.
No, I don't have any Google font server.
Oh, then you might have them locally. Wow, wow,
What?
bro.
My core vitals failed.
Fail.
What is going on?
Oh no.
Oh, no. I guess that's weird.
See, but see, look, your website is literally 4 words, and
It's
it's like
nothing.
86%.
Yeah.
You have to have a blank website with no content on it.
Fail. What is this? Core vitals fail. That's hilarious. You know, Google's own website's messed up too. If you put in google.com,
It's
it's
like
like
bad.
not very good.
No, it's like a not optimized, too slow. This goes to
Oh, what?
show
Something's going
failed.
on. Something's going on with their
I
stuff.
I think it might be your computer. You ran out of tokens,
I
so
ran out of
nothing is
tokens.
working.
I ran out of life. Imagine like a robot's cleaning your laundry. It just stops. You're like, uh,
Uh,
it wouldn't even do this.
you're getting a robotic surgery, and your heart surgery runs out of tokens.
You're like, put in more.
I saw a story where they actually had AI powered like robots like helping with like helping surgeons, and the ones where that used AI had a higher injury rate for
What? Really?
yeah, and I don't know if it was just the AI. I didn't read the whole article, so I don't know if it was that the AI was like doing a bad job, or that the doctor was like maybe like too lax, like just like
Yeah.
you know, and
Fix him like what I do. Fix
yeah,
him.
fix website,
The heart needs to be fixed.
save person,
Same person.
person good.
All right, should we call it?
Yeah, well, that was a good demo. I think everybody who saw the video gets the idea of like how the tool works. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's way better than Elementor and way better than WordPress.
Yeah.
As far as like
I
how
mean,
easy it is.
yeah.
Listen, as long as you don't run out of tokens, you're good.
You're okay.
You're
But
good.
I've been coding all day with it, so
Yeah.
and then I
L-
hopped on, and I was thinking about that when I was making my games and stuff. I was like, oh wait, I should probably
I shouldn't do
stop.
this.
I should stop, but I can't stop. It's like an addiction.
Yeah. So, but yeah, there's been times where I'm creating like 3 and 4 websites at once, and that's pretty good. Like you have to really be
Yeah,
on
I've
it
only
a
run out a
lot,
couple of times. I've ran out
right?
2 other times, and I've been using it for
Yeah.
months.
And then they go offline like once a week, but that's a separate
Oh yeah, for
issue.
sure. You're gonna get spotty connection
Yeah,
with them.
but yeah, I mean, I think you guys can let us know any of the topics you guys want us to cover, and if you guys have used Claude Code, you can talk about it in the
Yeah,
comments.
we're gonna be doing this weekly, also, and the schedule should be on tyler.com/live.
N-
And yeah, we'll be
Nice.
talking about different things.
We can try to be on here again next Friday if you want.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sounds good. All right,
All right,
bye
peace.
everybody.
Bye.